Hey boys and girls, welcome to a flip video. Today is about long division. It's a review, but when the question is asked in a slightly different way. Just as a reminder, these are a couple different ways you might see long division in the division box, where we have the dividend in the middle, divisor outside, the quotient remainder on top. You might see it expressed as a fraction with the dividend on top, the divisor underneath, or you might see it expressed like this. Just a quick recap for you. So, we've been working along a lot with word problems or when we're giving numbers, but sometimes you'll have the question and it'll say something to the effect of which pair of numbers would give me a quotient between 20 and 30. Then it'll give you four answer choices. So we did similar problems to this in addition and subtraction and multiplication, and it's the same thing. You know you have four answer choices, so you're going to have to do four different long divisions. So 675 is my dividend in the first one, 7 is my divisor. Does McDonald's sell burgers raw? So 6 does not go, or 7 does not go into 6, so I just slide over to 67. How many times does 7 go into 67? Well, I know 7 times 7 is 49. That's not quite 7 times 8. That's my favorite fact. That's 56. I can get a little closer. So 7 times 9 is 63. I subtract that. That'll give me a difference of 4. I bring down my 5. That's going to give me 45. Now I repeat the whole process. How many times does 7 go into 45? Well, I know that's 6. That's Mr. B's second favorite math fact. Or third. Subtract that. That'll give me a remainder of 3. I need to check this, obviously. 96 times 7 gives me a carry up my groups of 4. It's going to give me 672 plus my remainder of 3. 675. So this answer is correct, but it's not one that I want because I am looking for numbers between 20 and 30, and 96 is significantly bigger than 30. So I'll go ahead and solve B now. I'll use Big 7 for those of you who use Big 7. So 225 divided by 9. I'm doing this Big 7. I can pull 20 groups of 9. 20 times 9 is 180. That'll give me a difference of 45. Then I can pull out 5 groups of 9. That'll give me 45. And then I just have to simply add these up. 25. So to check this, 25 times 9 give me 5. Carry up a 4. That'll give me 225. So now my quotient is 25, so this one does work. As I said, that one does not work. Okay, to save some time in the video, I went ahead and just did it without walking through them. So 21 remainder 4 is going to be in between 20 and 30 because it's 21 and then a little bit more than 21. So that one will work. And 207 is significantly larger than 30, so that's not going to work. So that's what we do. We solve all four problems and we figure out which one gives us the desired value. So on this one, we have a set of which dividends and divisors would give me a quotient of 98. So rather than looking for a range, now we're looking very specifically for a specific quotient. So pause this video and solve all four. Okay, again, to save you some time here, since this is more of a review video, we're not learning how to do long division. I got a quotient of 98 with A, quotient of 98 with B, quotient of 99 with C, and a quotient of 98 remainder 5 with D. So I definitely know A and B are correct because that's exactly what I want as my quotient, 98. 99 is definitely wrong because that's 98. And 98 remainder 5 is close, but it is wrong because it's slightly more. We have 98 and then 5 more pieces. So again, I hope that I will be looking at your work, that you have 4 problems worked out, because I did not work through these, but that was your job. So if you haven't written them down, it might be a good idea to go back and write out your work. Finally, that's going to bring us to our bring back to school problem. We have a two-part bring back to school. Which of the following has a quotient of 48 remainder 3 out of A, B, and C? Cut you a little break there and only give you 3. And the next one is just, I'm going to be looking for a sentence. Why can't 6 be a remainder if the divisor is 3? Think about what we've talked about in class, and that's going to wrap up this flip video, and I will see you in the morning.